the government was, or cabinet that is, was appointed on the 10th of September 2013. And by the 10th of October 2013, Zim asset had been adopted as the policy blueprint. This was fantastic because usually it takes a long time. Some even talk of 100 days, the proverbial 100 days. We didn't need the 100 days. We were able to do it within 30 days. And that was amazing efficiency, for which in a normal society we would have been seriously credited, given huge credit. Say, wow, these guys, they're not joking. But of course, we were lampooned as usual, and people did not take notice. Yet it was very serious. And what people don't seem to understand in our country, and which makes our country kind of abnormal, is that in a constitutional democracy such as ours, political parties compete for votes on the basis of policy promises, on the basis of policy programs. And they are entitled to implement those programs once elected, once they become a government. Whether or not the losers in the election want or like it or not, or other people. Because that is the winning manifesto. And the winning manifesto should be implemented. And the next election will be referendum on the implementation of that manifesto. But it can only be the next election which is a referendum on the implementation of the winning manifesto and nothing else. If the implementation has not been constructive, meaningful, significant to the majority of the electorate, then of course they will not vote for the party of government that was implemented. But here, as we know, all of us, if you look at the period that is behind us from the 22nd of August 2013 to now, a number of things have happened to undermine the implementation of the policy program. In fact, to make it somewhere between a rock and a hard place, the rock being impossible and the hard place difficult, to implement our program that the people voted for. So, and our manifesto was very clear about a number of deliveries. Now, I think the real debate and discussion, when we look behind us, the time that has lapsed, with a view to ensuring that going forward we will have a different scenario, when we look behind, reasonable people might disagree about the specific hurdles, obstacles, spanners that have been thrown into the works. But no doubt whatsoever, spanners have been thrown into the works to shrink and limit the policy space, the implementation space.
Kana muchida kuvewo kutanga kunzwa nyaya dzakadai mazuva ese, garai makateya pa YouTube nekuklika button rakanzi subscribe, munobva maita wokutanga pa Zim DITV News kunzwa zviri kuitika.